Hey there, fellow car enthusiast. Follow along as I take this car from chipped to fixed in under 2 minutes. And yes, it works with any touch-up paint. Step 1. Take your favorite brand of touch-up paint and put a little drop beside the rock chip and just smear it on in there. You don't really have to do anything special. The whole goal is we want to get paint in the chip and fill it up a little bit. See, we made a mess, but that's okay. We'll fix that with the monkey wipe. Next, you want to take your monkey wipe and just wipe it over that paint that you just put on there. And what that's going to do, it's going to peel the extra paint away like a sticker. It's not going to dissolve the paint away. When you dissolve the paint away, you have to use chemicals that dissolve paint. And I don't know about you, but I don't want that on clear coat. So this monkey wipe actually just makes the extra paint just lift up like a sticker and peel away, leaving a little tiny bit of paint right there in the rock chip where it belongs, not all over your car. So we got that wiped up. Now we're going to clean it up a little bit, dry off any residue. Here's your shot of the after. Let's zoom in close. Yeah, from far away it's pretty much gone. Try to get you in really close. You see it's still there, but it's colored. When you color the rock chip the same color as the car, it does two things. One, it protects it, and two, it makes it less visible, which is what we want. Is it perfect? No. But it's fast, it's easy, and you don't have blobs of paint everywhere from doing traditional touch-up. Well, that's all for this one. Leave some comments below. Let me know what you think about this. I'd love to hear from you. And other than that, we'll see you in the next video.